Now see children, whenever I pressed action script 3.0, okay, you can see white color stage in Animate CC window. Okay, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, now completed. Now, okay, what they have given the task to draw the train and convert the train into symbol. Okay, so for that, see the picture in the textbook. See and draw. Okay, help me how to draw the train. Which tool shall I take first for the engine?
Polyester.
No, polished her I need.
Oh,
Rectangle
no,
enough. Rectangle
rectangle.
tool first. Okay, once if you draw, if you want to change the position of it, you can select and move. If you want, you can move it like that. Selection tool, this is. Take the selection tool and click on the object. Double click means outline also will be selected. If you did single click, only the internal part will be selected. Okay. Double click if you do, then outline also will be selected. Full you can move it back or front or anywhere. Now this is the engine. Here again I need to draw one, or else if you have any problem, and take the selection tool. You can drag it like that. Take the line, draw the line. Now here if I have to fill yellow, fill yellow. Now I need to draw the squares. Sorry, vowels. Take the vowel tool. Okay, but I want to increase the outline width because the vowels are having black outline. So for that window properties I will open. In the property palette, stroke size I will increase. And I will draw now the more it has become. Control Z is action cancellation children. And now 2 only came for me. Okay, let it be. Now I need to draw the line. Now I need to draw the square. Insert, sorry, square. With the blue color I need, not yellow. Now take the wheel. If you want same type of wheel, use selection tool. Double click it. And you click Control C and Control V. Control V. Okay. Now the picture drawing completed, children. Now this is actually when I draw that one, it is individual square, star, square, circle. This is a line like that. But now I need to convert the full into a symbol. So for that, you first take the selection tool. Full picture you select like this. Then whatever are there under the cycle, they will be selected. Then you click modify, convert to symbol.
Symbol.
Shortcut key is F8. F8 is the shortcut key. Now you need to convert it into a symbol. Take a type of graphic. Graphic you take because you draw that one, no? Okay. Click that one. And click OK. Now it is a symbol, see. Full picture I can move. Before that, if I have to move, full I have to select and move. They may be separated. See, this wheel may be separated from the square. Okay, but now it is not possible because it is a full symbol. You can apply anything on the symbol. You can even only move it, or you can move back or front. Individually, you need not move. Full. This is called symbol. This will be saved in the library. Even in the next experiments also, you need not draw, you can use it. Even you can reduce the size of it also. How will you do that one? To reduce the size of it, take this transform tool. You click. Now you can reduce the size of it.
Ma'am?
Yes, you can drag it.
Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, converted into symbols, so it will be saved in the library, no, ma'am?
Yes.
How can we go to library and take
Click
it for
window.
next
Yes.
operation?
Click window. Properties. Sorry, not properties. Click window. Library. There you can see. If you want the same thing, drag it. Okay. This is called instance. Okay, the original one will be saved in the library. Now, what did you drag? That is called instance. Instance means a copy of it. A copy of it you can get from the library. If you want to see the library, go to Windows, you click library, then automatically it will be appeared. Then you can click any object on it, on your screen. Okay, in this way you can convert the symbol, children. How to create the symbol is in this way. Let me say one more time. Close it. Select the picture. Full you can select with the help of selection tool. First time means all they will be selected. Now this is a symbol, no, that's why it is not taking individually. Select full, click, modify, convert to symbol. Okay, already it was a symbol, that's why it is asking for some other work. Okay, you can convert it into either graphic or in the textbook they gave button or movie clip. Okay, I will tell experiments on those graphics in the next coming topics of this chapter. Okay, children, in the next class we will continue the experiment. How to apply motion. Motion means movement. Movement how to apply we will see in the next class.